this is Kanitha here. If it's your first time here, welcome. Make yourself at home because we are a family, okay? But guys, today I have a quick video for you guys. It's a DIY, do it yourself, a hair tutorial. Really, it's a quick protective hairstyle that you guys can do under an hour and a half. So if you like to see how I achieve this cute and this hairstyle, this protective hairstyle, please stay tuned for the video. If it's your first time here, make sure to like, subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed. If you're a return viewer, make sure that you are subscribed if you haven't subscribed to the channel, and give this video a thumbs up after you watch it if you like it, okay? Also share the video. I'm going to show you guys this can be styled in different ways. You don't have to do it just like that. So we're gonna get right into this video, guys. So guys, this video is basically self-explanatory. So what I did, I kind of part my hair in section in order for me to do the back, the front, so it could be much easier for me moisturize the sections. But if you want to know, to see more in-depth video on how to do twists, you can check my other videos on twist. But guys, as you know, I've been telling you guys this over and over. Twist is my go-to hairstyle, okay? I've been doing this hairstyle for the longest, and let me tell you a secret. If you want to retain, if you want to achieve growth, get on twist. Let me tell you, twist will help you get those inches, okay? But guys, this is it. I'm gonna say I just moisturize my hair. I'm using my hair products here for me to hydrate my hair in order for me to put it in twist. What I did for me to get a clean look, I kind of braided the roots first just a little bit and then get to twisting. That's about it. Also, this is a quick summer hairstyle, really cute, really fashionable. I just put you guys on. It's been a while since I sit down and actually have a chat with you guys. I'm not even sure if I ever sit down and have a chat with you guys and for you guys to get to know me a little bit. I know right now I have more subscribers and my goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers. I know it's coming. You guys have been sharing my videos, subscribing. Thank you so much. But guys, I would like for you guys to get to know me personally, so it doesn't feel like I'm just talking to a camera, but I'm talking to you guys. Let me know in the comment section below. Put your questions down below, what you would like to know about me. And if you're not following me on Instagram, it is Kani_Remy. Follow me on Instagram and ask me some of the questions that you would like to know, because I would like to do a Q&A. Do this to Q&A, but I'll just get to know me video for those who haven't got to know me, or to if you want to know anything personally about me, let me know. Put down in the comment section below all your questions, then I'll do a video.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, ooh, I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new...
With this hairstyle, you can wear it on either side. You can wear on this side, you can wear on that side. This side, that's how I twist it to fall on, but see that? You can also switch it if you want more volume on this side. See? You can actually, you do not need anything to put this hairstyle up. You can just use your hair, but if your hair is not long enough, you can use a scrunchie or you can use a hair tie. You can do this style, which is very quick and easy. It is so cute as well. So we can do a half up and a half down. Okay, so boom. And then do this down as well. Really cute, okay? And with that, you can do like a mohawk kind of style. Can look like you have a mohawk. Do you remember like back in high school in 2020 2000s, early 2000, when mohawk used to be in style? What? Everything is mohawk, especially with the ponytail, with the slick back. After you get in a washing set with perm and you do the mohawk, the hump. It was the hump. Like you can do the hump with it if you want to. So the next one that you can do, you can actually take this down. See that? Okay, there's that. And then, or you can put can just put more down, 3, which just give you, it's so cute. Or what you can do, you undo this on just put it down, okay? Or even with this, you do this. You do not need a hairpin. You have this style right here, right? It's cute. Okay guys, these are the ways that you can wear this protective hairstyle. Let me know if you find this hairstyle to be cute or helpful, especially if you work during the week and then you want a quick hairstyle that you wake up early, you don't have time to do your hair. Let me know in the comment section below if this will help and if you find this video helpful. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you will give this video a thumbs up, because I really do need the thumbs up, the interaction that you guys make with the videos with my channels, because you letting YouTube know that you enjoyed the content, you enjoy my videos, and then YouTube push my videos to more audience. Because if you don't, you just watch the video guys and then you just exit, it does not cost anything to just give it a thumbs up. The way that you can support me is by liking the videos, subscribe, share my videos with someone. And I thank you all for subscribing, for sharing my videos, and for liking my videos. I really appreciate every one of you. And if it's your first time seeing this video and then you find this to be really helpful, like this video and subscribe, okay? So guys, I will see you in the next video. Like I always say, have a joyful, a peaceful, a wonderful, and blessed day. I will see you in the next video. Bye.